Hi.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. If you didn't know, we do custom choreographies. This is one example of a custom choreography that we created for 2 of our students. So what you can do is send us your song and information on what you're looking for, and we create the wedding dance of your dreams. So you can check out the 2 package options we offer below. And we also sell this choreography now individually, so you can check that out if you want to learn this step by step on our website for your dance. And we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.
Next to you.